LG air conditioner not cooling? Top fixes that work, 2026. If your LG air conditioner is not cooling, the most frequent causes are a dirty air filter, an incorrect thermostat setting, or a blocked outdoor unit. Performing simple maintenance can resolve most issues. If not, professional service may be required for complex problems like refrigerant leaks or part failures. 1. Basic checks and easy fixes. Before proceeding to more involved steps, rule out these common oversights. Check the thermostat. Ensure the unit is set to cool mode and the temperature setting is several degrees lower than the current room temperature. Verify power supply. Check that the AC is securely plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Some units also have a reset button on the power cord's plug. Remove obstructions. Make sure no furniture, curtains, or blinds are blocking the indoor unit's air intake or supply vents. Open the outdoor unit's area. The outdoor condenser unit needs clear space to expel heat. Remove any leaves, grass, or debris from around it and ensure good ventilation in the area. 2. Clean the air filter. A clogged air filter is the most common cause of poor cooling performance and can lead to the evaporator coils freezing. LG recommends cleaning reusable filters every 2 weeks. Turn off power. Turn off the AC and unplug it for safety. Access the filter. Open the front panel of the indoor unit. Method varies by model. Consult your LG owner's manual for specific instructions. Clean the filter. Use a vacuum cleaner or soft brush to remove dust. If heavily soiled, wash it with lukewarm water and mild detergent. Dry completely. Air dry the filter in a shaded area, away from direct sunlight, before reinstalling it. 3. Inspect the outdoor condenser unit. The outdoor coils release heat. If they're dirty, the AC becomes inefficient. Turn off power. Ensure power is off at the circuit breaker. Clear debris. Remove large debris like twigs or leaves from around the unit. Rinse the coils. Gently spray the coils with a garden hose. Do not use a high-pressure washer. Allow to dry. Let the unit dry completely before restoring power. 4. Troubleshoot frozen coils. If you notice ice on the indoor unit's evaporator coils or the copper refrigerant lines, turn off the AC immediately. Thaw the unit. Switch the unit to fan-only mode, or turn it completely off and wait to allow the ice to melt naturally. This can take several hours. Place towels to catch the water. Address the cause. Once thawed, ensure the air filter is clean to prevent recurrence. If it refreezes, the problem is likely low refrigerant, which requires professional service. 5. When to call a professional. If the simple fixes above don't work, you may have a more complex problem. Contact a certified HVAC technician if you observe any of the following. Low refrigerant. This indicates a leak, which a professional must locate and repair before recharging the system. Persistent humming or buzzing noise. This might signal a faulty capacitor or motor, which can be dangerous to handle yourself due to stored electrical charge. Unit short cycling. If the AC turns on and off frequently without completing a full cooling cycle. Error codes. If your unit's display shows a specific error code, check the LG support website or your manual for diagnostic information.